Hello everyone. There is a huge traffic in the area. Everything is blocked. Trying to move forward. Heavy rainfall. A very small possibility to move ahead. There is a lot of waters. I'm under the bridge. Peoples are I don't know where it comes such an heavy water. The middle of the streets has already filling with water. You can see, guys, from the corner I turn the camera. There is the middle of two streets. You see there is a huge water. I hope it can reach. Oh my God, such a heavy water. I hope I can cross it. The river has, oh my God, there is such a huge water in this area. I crossed the heavy water. Hope we don't get any more heavy water. So it was a dangerous place because there was a lot of water. The water can get to the engine and it will make it shut. I have still a lot of traffic in the highway. Those who are on the streets right now, on the roads I mean, they should stay on the highway. They should keep staying on the highway. They should not go on the service roads. Stay on the highways. You'll have a chance to move forward. If you go to the service roads or the small roads or the small streets, there is big chances of getting a lot of water where you cannot move ahead. As I have shown you earlier. Car is in front of me. It's moving very slowly. I can't move left and right. cars moving very fast and throwing water, which makes you very, very, makes for you very difficult, to move forward. But me, I'm trying to stay in my line and go ahead as much as I can. I know it's such a heavy rainfall. Oh no. I turned in the wrong street. A big truck coming from my side, coming from my left side. I'm trying to not letting him pass, otherwise it will be much difficult for me because the trucks they will throw a lot of water on me. So I'm trying to keep my distance, not letting him to go further. As you can see, the sky is roaring on us, and it's crazy. By the grace of God, I am very near to my house, so I have been saved from the water. But I pray for everyone to get home safely. It is a disastrous day for everybody. I love rainfall, but having rainfall in a limit is very good. But if it crosses the limit, so then it becomes much more difficult. So as you guys see, everywhere you go, there is a lot of traffic. You can see the cars are throwing a lot of rainwater. So now the truck which I was talking about, he just passed me. It's a big truck, and I don't like it at all, coming to my side and throwing water on me. I'm much safe from the heavy rainfall. everyone, be safe and take care, and see you by our next video in the future. Thank you very much. So at here we have evening, so have a good evening to everybody.